I shut my eyes, trying not to speak, pretend that I'm dreaming. I smell your breath, not listening, but I still hear you screaming. Going under. One step away till you hear what I'm saying. Sounds like thunder, and the clouds are closing in.
Daisy here, and welcome back to another travel vlog. Yeah! So yes guys, as you can see, I am currently here at GAC MOTOR. So this laag is sponsored by GAC Motors. Oh my gosh! Sige guys, magtanaw na dire sa ilang car.
Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart, I hope I'll be your destination.
Thank you so much, GAC. Dear Daisy, here's a little gift from our sister companies that we thought you might enjoy. Wow! Let's open this. Oh, this is so cute. And then Kani, what's this? Dear Day, cheers to strong women and pad-free periods. Anyway, so moro to siya guys. Hello, Sir Renz.
Hi.
Sa man akong imuhatag na muna kung musakyan pa doon sa sa North.
Kanina lang gamit ito, ganing GS8.
So GS8. So muna siya mong gamiton guys. Pila capacity niya?
7-seaters.
Ah, okay. Sakto na kaayo. Okay. 6. Napay kulang guys. Isa. Kuyog ka? Tara, kuyog ta. Joke. So nakapili na mi og sakyanan. So muna siya among gamiton. The GS8. Oh, diba guys? You can visit their showroom here at Kasuntingan, Mandaue. So they're open Mondays to Saturdays, 9 AM to 5 PM. So kung ganahan mo magtanaw sa ilang mga cars, pwede lang mo diri. And then pwede na sad mo mag-test drive in ana. So guys, nagdaya mo sakyanan guys na kuan. This is the GS8. So follow me with this adventure and let's go!
My heart is beating to your drum, and I'm blinded by the sunshine in your eyes. Not thinking twice, am I this dumb? Although I know you're all I want. How could I crave something so bad? My sweaty palms reveal a warning I should hear, but I don't care.
Hello Daysfriends! So update, we're now here at Katmon. So we're riding the test drive na car, which is the GS8 from GAC Motors. So thank you so much GAC! And amazing guys, look at this! Wow! Diba? So cool!
Can't help myself. You know too well I need you close. Can't help myself.
Wala ni dali sa bukid!
Under your spell. Can't help myself.
So guys, nanamiss sa Tabuelan, but ang problem kay fully booked sa Dorhans and mangita pa mi og kuan kastayhan kay ang mo original na gibook kay ni cancel sila, fully booked na. Mag-try mi diri, nangita pa mi, nag-scout pa mi sa mong stayhan, or else we will stay in the van. So guys, mangita pa mi sa mong kuan guys. Mag-ask mi diri if na ba sila
inquire kuya.
Napa may vacant na room?
Wala na ba?
Wala na. So guys, it's already fully booked. Fully booked na siya guys. Mangita na sa nilain. Oh my god. Kaya wala gid mi kastayhan tonight. Guys, kaya pa? Kaya. Dili pwede ang walk-in. So, ari na sad mi sa Cebu R. Magtan-aw mi if na ba sila vacant or mag-zap ba sila. So guys, we're currently here at Cebu R Resort Tabuelan. So We're trying to get a room here, but wala na sila vacant. Hello, Daysfriends! So, update, it's already 1:15 p.m. And finally, kaya na nami matuluyan. So, we will be staying at Beach Top. So guys, we're now here at Beach Top. So here in Tabuelan. So it's already 1:30 p.m. Wala pa mi lunch. And then nakita mi ika-5th na din siya na muna na resort na iadtuan. Ang first 4 kay ni-decline kay fully book sila, and ang uban kay dili sila mo-accept og walk-in, dapat organize sa rotas. So muna siya guys, finally na kami diri. And ari mi magstay for the night, and I don't know, maybe mag-ato mi dito sa sa ilang beach. So let's go guys. So muna siya mong room guys. Let me give you guys a room tour. So this is good for 5, but masud ra gud diri bisag mga 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then ang 7 diri. Pwede na siya diri guys. And let's see the restroom. It's so dark. Oh, okay. So na siya sink. Clean ra ba siya? Oh, see? Yan, diri shower room. Wala lang siya hot and cold. This room cost 2,700 pesos, and then ang exceeding na person kay 200 pesos each. So okay na kayo siya pang barkada, pang family, 'di ba? Nice siya. Haggard na kayo kong naong, guys. And wala pa mi lunch, pero na ako'y sobra ganina pagbuntag. Look at this. I have a Macdo! Nakay sobra. May gani wala na ko gihurot kay gutom na kay ko. Kaon na lang siguro ko. Kaya nag-order pa sila og barbecue and puso. So mukhaon sa ko guys. So today guys, maybe we'll rest first, and then maybe in the afternoon we will go to the beach, and so yeah, I'm very much okay because I'm eating. Tagunsa mo dito tagawan.
So ano lang is ay.
Mag-lunch na mi. Look at this. Puso. This is cold puso, guys. So it's called puso because it looks like a heart. So yes, guys. Ang sud ani kay rice. And then here
Wala pa siya na. Wala pa siya na yung
barbecue.
Nilokot na yung tubig na siya.
Tabaga ko ni siya na fish ate.
Kabalyas. Ay, budburo ba na?
And our sigang from last night. Guys, malamig kaon. Tanawa dere sa video. Butan kayo.
Hey, what's up guys?
Wanted girlfriend.
lang. Wanted girlfriend yo.
Oh, pwede na kaayo.
Pacho, please subscribe.
So, mag-rest ako guys. Maybe mag-nap lang ko mga 15 to 30 minutes. Kaya para mag-swim ko dito sa dagat. So, let's go guys.
2 hours later.
Waking up, feeling the taste of a fight.
Hi guys! Nakatugid ko mga 2 hours. Nagpukaw ko nila kay maligo daw mis sa dagat. So, mag-ilis ako guys. See you later! So guys, muna siya. Muna niya ako outfit. So, I'm with Harley. Harley! What's sa mo outfit?
Harley is from Vida Swimwear.
Yes,
guys.
mine too!
Yeah.
This is also
Diba?
from
Ay,
Vida
ko.
Swimwear. Thank you so much, Vida. Oh, charot. So guys, muna na siya guys. Mag one piece lang. Hi! So guys, mato na mi sa dagat kay maligo mi, mag night swimming mi. See you there guys! So guys, manamig ligo na.
We're here now, yes.
Kadiyo tra kayo minaligo kay. Hello guys! Tanawa, we're so dark ay. Libuto among suga diri.
Plato ni mo abas.
And mag-dinner nami guys sa kaldero na rice and tinola na. Unsa ni na tinola? Isda?
Walang manok.
Manok?
Oh.
Dinner and it's so dark.
We're done with our dinner na ang uban kay na ato na sa ubos kay nakatug na sila. Tomorrow we'll go to Midilien and Maya. I don't know what's our plan for tomorrow, pero yes guys, see you tomorrow guys. I will sleep now. Bye guys.
The next morning.
Good morning, Daysfriends! It's our official day 2 here in Tabuelan, and I woke up early, guys, because I want to see the. Oh, look! Wow! Look at that! Why am I so blue?
A few moments later.
Nako sa dagat, nagsuri-suri ko. Nagsuri-suri. Ako yung nako sila ni Margaret and ni Medyo Boy na dito sa likod. And nadiri si Maestrang Laagan and nadito si Harley. Last night guys, nagligo mi dire pero kuan kay siya kanang murag lapukon ihang diri bitaw. Diri kay kuan kanito siya na part kay tapos siya sand gamay. Ana. Yeah, pero dito dapit kay murag lapok siya. Today kay we will go to Midilien katong taas na aisle ay magpalupad ko drone dito. Yes. And kuan mo ato sad mig I think sa daan bantayan. Well, let's just see kay basin strict dito sa may magian na mo basin na checkpoint and ana. Nag-change ko ng outfit kay magkuan ako. Mabalik na ko sa beach guys kay I will fly my drone here. So yes guys, muna siya ang agianan ta doon dito. I think it's 2 to 3 minutes. Hello! 2 to 3 minutes walk going to the beach. So let's go.
Do you miss me at all? Do you think about the things we used to do? No, you couldn't stand tall, so why didn't you?
Right! Oh my gosh, Joni! Good job, Joni! Off na ako, guys. Kasi, oh, napadung na siya uwan. They are preparing our breakfast. Nasila dere. Wow, what are you cooking,
Hey
guys?
Daysfriends! How are you? Hey Daysfriends! PHOIDIO! Joke lang, muro na naabaw.
So guys, tabangan ako sila bukay.
Can you feel me? Can you feel me? Do you miss me at all? Do you think about the things we used to do? No, you couldn't stand tall.
Natagpuan mo ma?
Mana si homie. Hi, ayan. Ano na? Look at this. Babe, mutukag forever. Now, do you believe in forever? Guys, I'll have my breakfast. Kato ganina kay kuan-kuan na to siya. Kanang char-char lang yun. Enough na yung rice ko. We have here our scrambled egg.
Kanang feeling
Which
ito
is-
vlog. Nagan kay makakita.
What's our plan for today, guys?
We're heading to Medellin
Medellin and then...
and then we go to Maya Dan Bantayan.
Naka-agir ka? Sure? My God, guys.
I shut my eyes, trying not to speak, pretend that I'm dreaming. I smell your breath, not listening, but I still hear you screaming. Going under. One step away till you hear what I'm saying. Sounds like fun.
Hey guys! So, manakog ligo guys and naka-prepare na sad ko sa akong mga things. Muadto na
The
mi.
last days in real life I've noticed.
Muadto mi sa Medellin and Maya. And kuan maligo siguro mi dito and basta mag-adventure lang mi dito. Picture. Wait, picture. Alright guys, so ready na mi. Prepare na kong bag. And mo ato mi sa Midillion. Again with GS8. Thank you so much, GAC.
Ready, we're ready. We're going to Medellin and Anbantayan.
Are you guys ready?
Ready!
Woo! It's gonna be another adventure, so let's go, guys!
I turn my head and hold it high, but it's making me shiver. He's not like you, don't want him to. He's more like the river, growing stronger. When we're alone, there's no you in the picture. Ain't my number, isn't how